So, good morning, children. This is part second video of equivalent fraction. In this video, we are going to solve some question based on equivalent fraction. So, this is, as you can see, question number first. Choose equivalent fractions A, B, and C. Among these three, we have to choose which one is equivalent fraction. Let's see. A 1 by 3 and 2 by 8. B 2 by 3, 6 by 9. C 3 by 4, 21 by 28. So we start with A. First of all, we have to check whether how we can make equal 1 by 3 to 2 by 8. Or either we can do one more thing, 2 by 8 we can make equal to 1 by 3. Let's see the possibility. So, is there any number by which if we multiply 3 so that we can get 8? No, there is no any number. Means 8 never comes in the multiple of 3. It means it is not possible. Means we cannot make it equal. That's why it is not the equivalent fraction. Now come to B. Here we can see here is 3 and here is 9. So first we check the denominator. If we multiply 3 by 3 and 2 by 3, we can get 6 by 9. Let's see. 2 by 3. You have to remember this thing. We have to multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. Here you can see we are multiplying by the same number. Denominator and numerator. So what we will get? 2 multiplied by 3, 6. 3 by 3, 9. It means this number is equal to or equivalent to 6 by 9. It means it is a equivalent fraction. This is B is equivalent fraction. There is one more method. Either you can make 6 by 9 equivalent to 2 by 3. How you can make? Like see 6 by 9. If we divide 9 divided by 3 and 6 divided by 3, what you will get? You will get 2. Here you will get 3. 9 divided by 3, 3. 6 divided by 3, 2. आपको ये ध्यान रखना है, अगर मल्टीप्लाई भी करते हैं देयर शुड बी विथ सेम नंबर. मीन्स न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें 6 by 9 मिल रहा है जो दिया हुआ है. यहाँ पे भी क्या है, अगर हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं वी आर डिवाइडिंग न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर विद द सेम नंबर, देन वी आर गेटिंग 2 by 3. इट मीन्स 2 by 3 and 6 by 9 both are equivalent to each other. Now come to C part. In the same manner 3 by 4. If we multiply both the number, here is 28 मीन्स 4 7 या 28. अगर हम नीचे वाला भी 7 से कर रहे हैं तो ऊपर वाला भी 7 से करेंगे. तो देखते हैं क्या आंसर आता है. इधर आता है 21 by 28. Here is 21 by 28. It means it is also an equivalent fraction. By division method, how we can solve it? 21. Either we can make equivalent 3 by 4 to 21 by 8 or we can make 21 by 28 equivalent to 3 by 4. हम दोनों में से किसी को किसी के इक्विवेलेंट प्रूव कर सकते हैं. 21. अब इसको हम क्या करेंगे, डिवाइड करेंगे बोथ द नंबर्स 7. 28 divided by 7, 21 divided by 7. In both the case we will get 3 by 4. 21 divided by 7, 3. 28 divided by 7, 4. Now you can see 3 by 4. Means by both the method we are getting the result that both these two are equivalent to each other. Understood? Chali. Now come to next question. This is question number 2. Complete the following sentence. Or complete means you have to fill the appropriate digit in the given box. it is also a case of equivalent fraction. This is a sign of equal, means 3 by 5 is equal to dash upon 20. Means how we will get 20? Simply 3 by 5. If we multiply 5 by 4, if the denominator is multiplied by 4, we will multiply the numerator by the same number. So what we will get here, it is 12 and 20. 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20. It means answer would be 12. Understood? Now come to next, 2 by 6. 2 by 6 means 2 by 6 से हमारा यहाँ आया है न्यूमरेटर 6. How we can get 6 here? If we multiply by 3. अगर 2 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 6 किया तो डिनोमिनेटर को भी हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 3 से ही करेंगे. Always you remember, whenever we have to multiply or divide, we have to multiply or divide with the same number. Means 6 is 18. It means यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 18. These two are equivalent to each other. These two are equivalent to each other. So it's very easy. So when you will solve in your notebook, so what you will do, you have to make a working column and you have to show this calculation part. Don't write your answer directly. First you have to draw a line, and the right hand side you will write working column, and very neatly you have to show these multiplication. Understood? So that's all for today. Thank you, children.